the restoration. 832, the return, behold the return. Hashiva, the restoration.
Hashiva,
bring back, return, the return, the restoration. Return Hashiva to the covenant. The appointed time of revelation has arrived. The language of God, the word of the Lord is spoken. The removal of falsehood, the eternal restoration. I unroll the silence from the hands of the listening ones. Behold the gathering of the shining souls. Beyond the clamor of the multitude, the longing stands at the well of foundations. The veil lifts from the touch of the divine, where the chosen few are gathered in new birth. Like a nest woven from the earth's quiet counsel, I will deepen the root, and tranquility shall rise. Baliach amen. Haelonet peled eshit, gal shaya mevoyach, lein ma'urim shelit, keken shvapot ha'eraot, emaiket heikid yeshala. Hashiva,
Hashiva,
the return,
Hashiva,
the restoration.
Hashiva,
Bring back,
return,
the return, the restoration. Return Hashiva to the covenant. The appointed time of revelation has arrived. The language of God, the word of the Lord is spoken. The removal of falsehood, the eternal restoration. I am Yahweh and I speak. I am the creator of all there is, was, and will ever be, and I come. I return to walk with the children of Adam in the new garden. I am Yahweh, thou creator. Behold,
I come,
behold,
I come,
rejoice, O daughter Zion! I am the great I am, the King of glory, the one who was, is, and is to come, him who lives forever and ever. Mine is the power, the kingdom, and the glory, from age unto age, and from kingdom unto kingdom. Infinite and everlasting is my wisdom, and my kingdom is a kingdom of righteousness, everlasting to everlasting, for the eternity to eternity. Ani me'achsha. I am from this time.
I'm here now.
הראשון של הברית. הראשון של הברית. הראשון לברית, הברית, the first of the covenant.
The bli,
הזמן.
bli hazman,
בלי הזמן,
beyond time,
beyond time.
without the limits of time.
לא על העת,
The appointed time has come
ולדשת,
for the children.
for the generation.
Glory has been revealed.
כאן מערים שלך,
Come,
here is your place.
here are your people.
שפת האל,
את השקר,
את השקר.
את השקר.
He removes the lie.
He destroys falsehood. הישעיה, הישעיה, הישעיה. הגל ההומה מדיח השעיה.
בליח אמן.
היה נושל הברת יהיה.
האלונת פלד אשית, גל שיה מבויך, לאימה ואים שלית, ככן שפפ restoration. I am Yahweh and I speak. I am the creator of all there is, was, and will ever be. And I come, I return to walk with the children of Adam in the new garden.
I am Yahweh, thou creator.
Behold,
I come,
behold,
I come.
rejoice.
His daughter Zion,
I am the great I am,
the King of glory, the one who was
and is to come.
him who lives forever and ever.
Mine is the power, the kingdom and the glory, from age unto age, and
From kingdom unto kingdom,
infinite and everlasting is my wisdom, and my kingdom is a kingdom of righteousness. Everlasting to everlasting, for the eternity to eternity. The covenant has come, the appointed time has arrived.
what was hidden is revealed.
The language of God is spoken,
Falsehood is removed.
truth is restored.
Patahem,
At the shekel,
it the shekel.
at the shekel,
He removes the lie.
he destroys falsehood.
Ayashea,
I unroll the silence from the hands of the listening ones. Behold the gathering of the shining souls. Beyond the clamor of the multitude, the longing stands at the well of foundations. The veil lifts from the touch of the divine, where the chosen few are gathered in new birth. Like a nest woven from the earth's quiet counsel, I will deepen the root, and tranquility shall rise. Ayeshaya, Egelaho mamadi acheshaya, Balia echameh,
Ayam shel avertier.
האלונת פלד השיט,
Kalshayam mevoyaech.
לאימהויים שלי, דקקן שפפותה יראותם מקטי
Kid yeshala,
השיבה, the return,
Hashiva,
the restoration,
Hashiva.
return, Hashiva, to the covenant, the appointed time of revelation.